Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by turning your idea into a precise query. Pick 3 to 6 focused keywords that reflect what you need. Use quotes when a specific phrase must match, and put a minus sign before words you want to exclude. This reduces noise. If you need content from one place, add site, example, com so results stay on that domain. Once done, glance at the top results and the search suggestions below. They often reveal better phrasing you hadn't considered. You now refine the result set by combining advanced operators to target format and location. For example, use file type, PDF to find downloadable reports, in title, to focus on pages with your concept in the title, and/or to include alternatives. Use asterisk as a wildcard when a word is uncertain, and apply time filters to get recent information. Make sure to test one change at a time so you can see why results shift and lock in the operator mix that finds what you need. You finish by validating findings across the top snippets and at least 2 independent sources to confirm accuracy. If you see too few results, broaden with synonyms or remove restrictive operators. If results are noisy, narrow with more specific terms or cite limits. If searches behave oddly, clear cache or try an incognito window to rule out personalization, and then reword your query. Key troubleshooting tip. When stuck, replace one major keyword with a synonym and rerun the search to reveal different result sets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.